Okay, today we'll see guides. Okay, use of guides in Illustrator, right? And you will not make anything without using guides. All right, we'll see how we can use guides and what is use of guidelines in Adobe Illustrator. All right. So what you will do, first of all, you have to show the ruler because rulers are very important to working with the guidelines. If you cannot see rulers here, you need to go to view menu and here you will see ruler, all right, and then show rulers, all right. So here we have rulers and just show rulers. So shortcut key is Control R. So when you press Control R or show rulers, you will see the rulers will appear here on the screen. So we have two rulers. We have this one is horizontal and this one is called vertical. If you zoom it, Alt and drag, you see it will enlarge the units as well. Now what units now this ruler is displaying? Alright, the units which you have set it while creating new document. Alright, when you are creating new document and what units you have set it here, the ruler will show you the same units. Okay, if you have created already, if you have selected already the units, now you want to change the units. So how we can change? Now you realize I don't want to work with the millimeter, I want to work in centimeters. Then right click on ruler. When you right click on ruler, so you will see you can change units from here. Now I'll change from centimeter. Now units has been changed into centimeters. You can see also on ruler it's changed. Now it's from 0 to 21 centimeter, 21 point something. All right. Okay. So if you don't want to change like this, right click on the ruler. You can change also by properties of the selection tool. Click on selection tool. All right. Then just go to the properties of it and then you can choose from here units. You can change from here any units you want. Look, as you are changing units, the units are changing on ruler as well. So I'll keep it centimeter like this. So in horizontal you can say 0 to 21. If you come down and you will see here also it's coming 30 centimeter, 30 point something. All right. So that's first of all how you will adjust the units even you have created documents. All right. Now to bring the guidelines. Very easy. Left click on the ruler and just click, hold and drag. So you will bring guideline. This guideline is only for the reference. It will not be printed. So don't worry about it. It's only for your reference. All right. So that you can align your project. You can align your content on the page. All right. For example, now if you click left click on this ruler and drag inside the page, you can get also that is called vertical guideline and this one is horizontal guideline. But the movement is different. This is horizontal guideline and you are moving it up and down. All right. And this one is vertical guideline and you are moving it horizontally left and right. All right. So you can have many guidelines like this, all right, and you can match with the units as well. Okay, just zoom it, for example, alt and like this. Now here you can see like it's 3 centimeter like this. Okay, you can match like this, and again take and like this one is one more 3 and this one 5, and you can go here like this, right, and it's 0.5 like this. Okay, so you can manage units like this. You want from here, you can take guidelines from here as well like this. But still you are not accurate. It's the distance between these two is accurate or not. For example, you have selected this one 1, all right, for example. And if you want to delete any guideline, just select that guideline and delete from the keyboard. So I will make another guideline like this. Now you have done it manually, like maybe you are thinking it's 1 centimeter. If you want to check, just make one rectangle like this. Now check its width. It's not accurate 1 centimeter. If you want to change its width 1 centimeter like this, now height and you can change also width from here 1 centimeter. Alright, so from here just change 1 centimeter like this. Now if you zoom it, you see the gap is not equal, right? I will fill color from here like this. So how we can make accurate distance between two guidelines? Now the distance is not accurate. You are doing manually like this one is like this, and you can also drag like this. Alright. Now if you have drawn many guidelines, what you want to do, you can make your design. For example, like this, you can make like this, you can fill, then you can make like this, you can fill, and you can make, so you can like this, you can align your project. But if you will select these objects, the guidelines will also be selected. Alright, so if you will delete, the guidelines will also be deleted. We don't want that. What we want, so if you want to like save yourself, so right click and just lock, right click on empty space, then lock guides. When you do it, the guides are locked now. The guide will not move anymore. Right? Now you can move your objects, you can align the shapes like this, but the guides are locked. This. You can right click, you can unlock guides as well, like this. Now it's hidden like this. Now you can move it. You can copy also guidelines, select guideline and press Alt and drag. It will create a copy. Alright. Same, Alt, click, select that guideline, Alt and drag, it will create copy. Right. If you want to hide guidelines, right click on empty space, then hide guides. The guides will be hidden. Alright. Then show guides, right click on empty space, show guides. So guides will be shown. If you want to delete guidelines, you have to select like this and press delete button from the keyboard. But if you have used many guidelines and you want to clear all at once, so you can also go to view, and here you have guides and clear guides. From here you can clear guides. When you click here, so it will be cleared all. But you cannot get them back if once you have done. Undo you can do, but after saving document you cannot get them back. So be careful not to delete. You always hide. Okay, right click and hide guides. It's better if you want to show to the client. So show guides like this. Okay, so that's how you can draw, how you can take guides in Adobe Illustrator. But now we want to do with the specific measurement, accurate measurement. You can click also. When you click here, so it will give you also guideline. Click on ruler like this, click on ruler like this, it will give you guideline. Okay, I'll zoom it. For example, you want here one guideline, double click on left, double click, then double click like this. You can also do same here, double click, right, double click. You can also place guidelines like this. All right. But if you want with the specific distance, then how we can do that? Only you have to keep one thing in mind. This guideline is called horizontal guidelines, and we are moving this guideline. We can move only up and down. When you are moving up and down, okay, you move on y-axis. All right, y-axis is always for up and down, right? So this movement will be up and down movement. All right. So if you want to do up and down movement, you do always on y-axis. Value you will change. Where is this y-axis value? Here, position. Look, y value. All right. Okay, you can write also the y value. All right. Same if you want to move left and right, right? So then you will choose x value, right? You will change x value, left and right movement, right? So if you want to do left and right movement, you will do x value. When you are moving up and down, you will change y value. for example, just take this guideline from here like this. Now you have taken, now you are moving up and down. So here is the y value is 0. So if you will type here on y 0, then your guideline will be on 0. Okay, again take like this one. Now you want from here to here, it's 3 centimeters. So select this one, change the y value 3 centimeter. Like this is accurate 3. So select this one and you can measure it, okay, from here, and just y value, for example, 4 is 4. For example, if you want to make any projects, you can measure it with this ruler also, all right. So you can measure it the total distance from top to here. How much is centimeter from here to here, and from here to here, from here to here, all right. So you can choose. So if I want to move this vertical guideline, but I will move left and right, so value will be x value. So go to x value, make it 0. Then you can alt and drag, copy like this, and just make it again x value is 3 like this. Now you have 3 by 3 centimeter accurate box here on top. Now you can put your logo here like this. Alright, any logo you can put it here. Okay, that's how you can insert guidelines with accurate calculation. Alright, but if you want to do subtraction and multiplication, how we can do that? For example, so next line, next guideline you want from here to here 1 centimeter. So just check its position of this guideline. Click on this guideline and check its position. Its position on y-axis. So which value is 4 centimeter. So this guideline is on 4 centimeter. You can check from a ruler also. Alright. So you have to copy it. Select this one. Press Alt and drag. Alright. Now this previous one is 4, right? So how much this would be if you want to add 1 centimeter, just it will become 5. Then just change the y value 5. That's it. Now you have 1 centimeter distance. Alright, like this. Next, for example, this value is, just check this value, 5 centimeter. You want to add 2 centimeter more. So Alt and drag like this. Alright, select this one, Alt and drag, copy. And the value for this is 5, and 5 plus 2 will become 7. So you can make it 7 like this. Right? But if you want to do a calculation, for example, I will copy this one. Alright. Now if you are dragging like this, so you are not getting on same position. I will show you the easiest trick. Select this guideline, then go to edit, copy, then edit, paste in front. When you will do paste in front, it will give you copy of the guideline on the same place. Look, I have 2 now. Same measurement on the same place. Okay. Now you need to select this one. Alright. Now go to the value of 5. So already its value is 5 centimeter. So you want to add 1 centimeter more. So just add plus sign and give 1. So it will like this. So you can do mathematical calculation also. For example, I will drag this line. So the position of this line on x is 5.3. You can make it 6 like this. Now if you want to add 1 centimeter more, just go here plus 1. So it will like this. So you can do minus and addition as well. Select this one and go to here. You can minus 2 centimeters. So it will go back. So you can do calculation over here. So what I will do, I will copy. So go to edit, copy and edit, paste in front. Right now it's pasted. Then go here and plus 1 centimeter. Now you have from here to here 1 centimeter. Right. So that's how you can play with the guidelines, and don't work in your project without using guidelines. Guidelines are very important to organize your project. Alright. So these are the guidelines how you can take, if you can lock them, right click and you can lock guides as well. Alright. Next we will see the alignment. Alignment. If you want to align the objects, okay, for example, I have one object, this one. So you want to align this object, right? Align. What is alignment? Alignment means the placement of the object with reference to another object. Right? If I will tell you to just sit in the center, so you will ask me, right, which center, right? So here also, if I want to align this circle on the left side, so which left side, or the page or for the line? So what you will do, select object. As you select object, you will see this alignment option here, right on the top. So if you click here, first option is horizontal align left. Horizontal, whenever horizontal will comes means left and right. Horizontal always left and right. Vertical always up and down. Horizontal align left, when you click here, so that circle will be aligned horizontally left side of the page. Alright, okay. So you want center, horizontal center will be. If you want right, so it will be aligned to the right side of the page like this. Right. If you will not select anything, if you will select only one object, alright, so it will take reference artboard. Artboard will be the reference for the alignment. Look, by default, this room is your reference. If I'll say to you, go and sit in the center, of course, you know I will go to the room and I will sit in the class in the center of the class. So if you will not select anything, then the artboard will be by default the reference for the alignment. You can change also when you click here, just go here. So here you have also align to the selection, align to the artboard. By default is aligned to the artboard is selected because you have selected only one object. Same you can work with the guideline also. Alignment will work with the guidelines also. I will take this guideline, alright, like this, okay. So just select this guideline and just click on horizontal align left. So this guideline will be aligned to the left side of the page. Easy, right? You were dividing page in the center, right? Same. Take guideline, select it and just horizontal align center. So that guideline will be aligned in the center of the page. Same, I will take one line here more, and one line here. You can also duplicate like this. And select this one, click here, horizontal align left, click here, horizontal align, it's vertical align this one, and again you will take this one and here you will align this one, which is called vertical align top. Vertical means up and down, alright. So here I'll take one more, alright. So from here, then just horizontal vertical align center. Now look, you have divided your page equally in 4 parts. Right? Now what you can do? You can just make one shape here like this, alright, like this. You can fill it. You can take one text box here like this. Okay, you can write text here like this. You can place picture if you have placed picture. Like that's how you have divided your projects. For example, here you have one picture, alright. So you can take that picture, for example, like this, and you can place your picture here like this, right? So this is picture you have placed. Like that's how you can align your actually project. Then you can write heading. Just click here. So this will be your heading like this, right? And you can copy like this also. And again text, so like this, alright? So like we have divided in 4 categories and you have used like your project, you can align, you can create many projects like this, right? So alignment will play a very important role in formatting. Alright, okay. Now I will delete all, I don't need it, just click and delete. Okay. So alignment with reference to artboard done. But now if you want to align with reference to another object, for example, I have this one object, I will copy it Okay, then you have different colors like this, different colors. All right, so they are on different position like this. All right, so what I want to align them equally. I want to align them horizontal. If you want to move left and right, horizontal alignment. So select all and then click on here. All right, horizontal align left. You will see this option on the property bar, on property panel. If you're not here, go to Windows menu and bring align command. So you will see align option here also. Okay, so horizontal align left. Look, all will be aligned to the left. Now you didn't ask me one question. Now which object is the master object? Which one is parent? Which object will not move? Or which object is the key object? Right? If you are standing in one queue, I will say align. Of course, you need a one person who is on accurate point, and you will see him and you will make line according to him. Right? Here is also in selection. When you select these all objects, so now which one is key object? Which object will be used as a reference for the alignment? Yes, the one on the top means the last drawn object. The last drawn object will be used as a reference for the alignment. Okay, but if you want to change, how we can change? Very easy. Just click, after making selection, click on that object. When you click, you will see the bold highlighted, okay, stroke. Now this one is your key object. This object will not move, and this object will be used as a reference. Now if you will align, you will see blue will not move, all will be aligned according to it. Okay, again I will explain. For example, now I have this one. I will select all object. Now which object will be used as a key? This one, blue highlighted. I will click this one. Now this object is my key object. Now I want to align left, click here, look, all of them. Okay, so I will show you one more example. For example, I have this one, right, and I will draw circle. Now I have drawn circle later, so by default the circle will be the key object. When you select both and look, circle is highlighted. When you do alignment, okay, center and center, you see circle is not moved. Okay, so but I don't want to move this rectangle. Select both and click once to make it key object. Then use alignment vertical center like this. Same you can use with text also if you have text. All right. Okay, one thing more, if you want to align two objects together. Okay, for example, look like this and you have here. So if you will select, so it will consider one object individually like this, and it will align every object. So if you want, like it's consider two objects as a one, then group it. Select both, right click and group, make it one object. Now select both and choose alignment, look like this. So you can align anything, like here you have, and you have this one, all right, and you have heading. So whatever content you have in Adobe Illustrator, no issue. So select all like this, and which will be your key object. I want to use this one, my key object. Then left align, look. All right. Now I want to bring that text which I have wrote it on the top. I want to bring this text here, right? So select this one, hold shift key, select this one and click this one to make it reference so that this object will not move. Okay, now just click center and center. Look, text has been moved here. That's why it's very helpful to organize your project by using alignment and guidelines. No designer can design without using this command. They are very important, right? For example, same if you have one big circle and you have small circle and you want to bring this circle in the middle of it, very simple, select it and click here, then click here to make it key object, and like this, done. All right, now whatever project you will make with the guidelines. You will measure like from here to here what distance is, and here to here what distance is. Then you will just create the assignment with guidelines. Okay, next whatever assignment you will create, you must use guidelines. Okay.